tener ese ángulo, ya sube, ¿ok? Esto ya sería un moto dachi donde el ángulo no es completamente tan recto, ¿ok? Es una posición como más natural de caminar, ¿ok? Pero este jutsu dachi...
I'm 2 times world champion in kata, and I hold a record Guinness for the most individual medals in World Karate Championships. Actually, I'm here in Aruba to teach some classes. I also direct organization. It's called Inoue Shitoryu Shinkai. We are affiliated to organization in Japan, and we have a branch here in Aruba. The technical director is Sensei Eduardo Macias, and we are here covering some technical points, basic things to improve the level of the young kids here in Aruba, helping him to improve their karate, but also try to teach them values of life. I think karate is not only a sport, it's also a way of life. So with these classes, also we encourage them to practice the respect, the discipline, and motivate them to be more confident also, and be better persons. Not only good athletes, but also be good persons. This is the third time, but last time was 5 years ago, so it was a long absence. So now we are retaking these classes. I had also some instructors in charge who have been coming to work with these kids and work with Sensei Macias, and we're always in contact because also he's a great teacher, a great karateka, and he has the technique and the values to be part of this organization. So I'm very confident in his job, so I'm going to be trying to come more often to hold these classes and to help them develop the karate here in the island. From as young as I think like 4 or 5 years, and then we have also teenagers and also some adults, but mostly kids between 4 and I don't know, like 14, 15 is the biggest group. I think the importance of being consistent with everything you do. In my case, karate, like I said, of course, gave me a lot of medals, a lot of titles. But the most important is that teach me that when you put effort, when you work hard, when you work with passion for the things you do, you get valuable results, and that's not only physical things like a medal, but you know that feeling that you can be better every day is something I want to help them develop and make them be better persons, that they want to be better persons and champions in life.